Good afternoon, guys. I have a little tiny crafty Dollar Tree haul, and I thought I would share it with you so that you could know what my ideas were. I have quit buying a lot of tissue paper at Dollar Tree because it'll have one or two of the really pretty sheets that I want, and then not have but solid colors in it. But this one just, it said I had to have it. It had to come home with me. It was just no choice about the matter. And it is really pretty. It has this leaves and things in it. Then it has a sheet of green, but more importantly, it had a sheet of plain brown, which I thought was really pretty too, beside the stripes. So I really and truly bought it for this one. And, you know I don't need more tissue paper, but I thought it would be all right to get that this one time. Then I picked these up. I've been looking at these. I've looked at them 3 or 4 times. I haven't bought them because they are actual magnets. But I was thinking they might make a magnet paperclip. There's only 3 of them in here. The magnet is already pre-cut, but it was butterflies. Now, there was other things that didn't interest me at all, but butterflies I could probably use in my journal. So I thought I might try to make paper clips out of these Crafters Square color your own magnets. There is a coloring page in there too, which could be used as a page in the journal. So I thought that was interesting. I was looking for these. I found one. These are the really wide, thick, expanding document cases. And I used all the ones I had, so I've been looking for a few more to put things in, projects and such. And I found one, so one is better than none. Then they've had this stuff for a while, and it hasn't interested me, but after thinking about it, I thought maybe if I die cut it, it would be really a lot of fun. I only bought the one because I didn't want to buy a bunch and then not use it or have it not work die cutting it. But it's designed to cut in the electronic machine, so I don't see any reason why it wouldn't cut in my die cut machine with my die cuts. So that's one of the things I want to try. Is I want to try to die cut this. I've got a roll of sticky backed paper that Helen got at the thrift store that I want to try, and I have a sheet of poster board that I want to try. So I've got several things I want to try to die cut to see if I can make my own stickers and things out of it. So and for $1 I thought it was worth trying, even if all I ever did was cut strips of it and used on a page. It's really pretty, and it's copper, of course. The question would be whether or not I could put it in a punch or things like that. So I thought that I might do a trial kind of thing with this, just because. And they had lots. They had a beautiful black sparkly one that really intrigued me, but I did not pick that up. I just picked up the one. I was trying to be a good girl and be conservative, and I was walking down a different aisle than normal. Of course, I can't get this open. And I saw this, and I thought, oh, that would be so pretty to cut out and use. This, it's shelf liner paper. So basically, it's just paper. I'm going to open it so we can really see it. It's supposed to be toile, which is a style And it's black and white, so, you know, it suits me just fine. Oh, but I see some fussy cutting in my future. Now, I will tell you, it is nice. Oh, I fibbed. This is sticker paper. It's sticky. It's got a magic cover. I thought it was just paper, but this is oh. I'm just double checking that I'm right. Oh, I'm even more excited about this $1 I spent. Oh, yes. Okay, guys. That. I see there's going to be a lot of fussy cutting in my future. It's got a little bit of slickness to it. It's not super shiny, which I like. It's black and white, which could easily be vintaged up. Let's just do a little. Oh yeah, we can ink that up and vintage it up a little bit easily. So I am very pleased. This was in where they have all of the shelf liner papers and things like that. So I'm excited by that. That was a and I almost put it back. I almost said, Tanya, you don't need more paper. Tanya, you don't need more images. It's like, well, now I'm really happy I picked it up. Okay. And we know that I have been trying very hard to organize my studio. And they had these. And lime green is one of the colors that I've done in my studio. These are bookends. And it's not so much about bookends that I was thinking, but I have other things on my table that, like files and things like that I was hoping that I could maybe keep a little bit neater. I don't seem to be able to keep things neat. So I thought maybe I would try these. I only bought 2. They had more, and they had them in different colors. They had different words on them. I thought inspire was a really good word. So I picked those up. And then Christmas is out. Oops, wait just a minute. We'll do this one first. Okay, somehow I managed to shut off the video. Did not mean to do that. I'll have to double check and make sure that it actually works. This is a little package of, they're sort of puffy, but they're metallic stickers. And I wouldn't have bought these at all like they are, but I thought they might work like the Feathers did with alcohol ink. So I thought I might try some of those with alcohol ink. You could use a Sharpie marker on these. They're small and would be really pretty. So I did pick those up. I don't need more stickers, so I'm only picking up ones that I really think I might actually use. And then, like I said, Christmas is out. And I had not noticed these things at Dollar Tree in the past. And I love getting these things for my jelly flakes. But I had some other ideas, and it was weird. It's very, very weird. Some of the things are in packages of 5. And some of them are in packages of 8. And I did not buy all the designs because I know I won't use them. I just really felt like I bought what I would use. They had 2 snowflakes, and see, one is 5 and one is 8. So, and this, well, I guess they both have strings in them. But I also thought that these might be very cool to use on the front of a junk journal or on the front of a December daily. I really want to try to make a December daily this year, so I did pick these up. I thought, okay, you know, I love the snowflakes. You know, I'm married to Santa Claus, so I have to have a Santa Claus. And this tree I really liked. Now, the other tree I didn't like so much. So, you know, it's just one of those things. And I do not know why there's 5 in this one and 8 in this one. They had more of these. So, I don't know if these were last year's and I just never saw them. But they're out and you might want to think about how you can use them. Like I said, I picked them up to use on the jelly plate. But I also thought they might make really interesting 3-dimensional collage pieces on the front of a junk journal. So guys, that is my very small little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you will enjoy this, and I hope it inspires you in some way. Now, as always, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.